I don't know what you want me to do.
What you been doing all night?
I'll pick one of your favorites. But the one I want is bad. What's the one?
What? Bitch, you ate my biscuits. Is that the one you want to do? That's probably what you want to do.
Okay, let's do that one. Okay,
yes, let's do
but
that.
Markayla, you gotta be Allison. No.
No, that's
you.
gonna backfire on me.
Okay.
She didn't do nothing to me, Pimpin.
So pretend like I'm. Okay, this is the refrigerator. Oh, thank you. That helps me feel okay.
This is a refrigerator.
Biscuits over there? Where's my...
I got really hungry last night, and so I went and
That bitch ate my biscuits. What the fuck? Did you eat my biscuits, bitch?
no, I was hungry. I didn't know what to do.
Bitch, ask me next time. I'll let you have some. You eat my freaking milk? You eat my chocolate? And now you eat my biscuits.